What different factor? Punjab and Haryana, they are economically developed. Some states as Punjab and Haryana have poor resource. They don't have resource. Natural resources are not there in Punjab and Haryana. But both the states are economically developed. You know why? Because both the states are agriculture based states, enriched with agriculture, that means enriched with natural vegetation, agriculture based states, wheat, mustard, maize, sugarcane, all this. So agriculture based but no natural resource. They are developed states and economically rich. They use high-tech gadgets, high-tech machineries in agricultural field. That is why they are economically sound, but there is no natural resource found in Punjab and Haryana. That is one of the reasons. And the last point, that is that the cold desert that is Ladakh is called. Cold desert is Ladakh, lacks natural resource. There is no natural resource. Rocky, cold, neither cultivation is there, nothing, no cultivation. Mainly they are dependent on animal husbandry, but this region is rich in cultural heritage. They are holding the cultural heritage. So up till now, these are the points I have discussed before you. You have noticed that there is not balance in the infrastructure. There is lack of balance in resource and infrastructure. Somewhere resources are there, ample of resources. Manpower is not there, lack of technology is there. Somewhere resources are there, trained or skilled employees are not there, or not the proper infrastructure. Somewhere ample of natural resources as Rajasthan, wind and solar energy abundantly, but there is no water because that is desert. And somewhere no natural resource, Haryana and Punjab, but based on agriculture, high-tech machines, those are used in agricultural field, and that is why they are economically sound without any natural resource, farming based, plantation and vegetation. And the last point is the cold desert, that is Ladakh, and rocky, cold, no vegetation, no cultivation. Usually people, they are dependent on animal husbandry, but they are holding the rich heritage and culture. So guys, that is the contradiction, you can say that, quite contradiction. There is no balance between the infrastructure or the resources. So guys, the same chapter I will continue in my next lecture. Up till now, I think you have noted down my lecture, that means the main points you have noted down.